Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? So, yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys around my apartment since I promised that I'd be doing that in one of my future vlogs. And so, this is our apartment's little lounge space. So sometimes I'll have friends over here, we'll play card games or something. It's a pretty nice little area. It's got like a kitchen and stuff like that, so it's good to have people over here. This is basically what the inside of the apartment looks like when you first come in. There's a lot of weird East Madison jazz scene themed things, so there's like a lot of pictures of people playing instruments and stuff around the walls. Right across the street is our Safeway, so this is where I get my groceries. There's the Safeway over there. You can see me in the reflection. So yeah, that's where I get my groceries. It's really nice since I can just walk across the street and buy food if I forget to buy something, so it's super nice. We have like free coffee and stuff here. I don't really drink coffee, but if I did, I guess I could use it. This is our mailroom. So this is where my packages get delivered. Let's walk in here. So they'll just like leave stuff in these boxes over here, and then you'll scan like a barcode thing on your phone when your package arrives, and then your package will be there for you. So yeah, that's our mailroom. Just get all our packages here. For some reason, some packages just like lying on the floor. I don't know why. Over this way is the gym. So this is like a little fitness room that our apartment has. I don't really use this room that much, but it is pretty nice just having like a gym in my apartment. I get to stay healthy. You know, I can just like, oh yeah. Oh, this is really heavy. It is kind of handy if I don't want to walk all the way to the gym, and I can just do it here, so that's kind of convenient. So that was the fitness room. These are the elevators. Okay, so this is my floor. Still more jazz-themed paintings around the hallway. It's kind of weird. Right across from our apartment, which is this one, is the trash room. So this is where people just dump their trash and recycling stuff. So it like smells gross here. So yeah, there's like random stuff sitting around, and then they have a disposal chutes for garbage and recycling, and then we have a compost bin here. So it's kind of nice because we can throw away our stuff easily, but kind of annoying because the hallway smells gross. And then this is my apartment, and so I got my keys here. I have my keys on this like green George Mason lanyard since my little sister goes to George Mason, so I've been using this lanyard for a little while. And this is where I keep my shoes. And so this is, so our apartment is a 2-bed, 2-bath. So this is one of the bathrooms, this is Michael's. This is where we have our washing machines. This bathroom's huge, this is Michael's bathroom. And then this is our kitchen. This is where I cook my food. Usually I just make like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches because I'm frugal. This is our high-tech drying rack. And then this is our fridge. This is the food we eat. But yeah, nothing else. This is my reusable grocery bag since in Seattle they charge like a tax of 5 cents or something for every bag you use. And then this is my bathroom. So, hello, you can see my little selfie stick thing. So this is the sink. This is the sink. This is my toilet, and then we have my shower. Nothing crazy here. Just have a scale thing I track my weight on, and then other miscellaneous things. And then this is my room where the magic happens. So yeah, I don't really have much in my room either. It's pretty minimal. So I've just got a dresser, a lamp, and my desk. This is my work laptop. Oh, I left this here because sometimes I use this as like a stand for vlogging. This is actually a shoebox, and in this shoebox I just have like old cards and thoughtful things that friends in the past have given me. So I just hold on to these, and sometimes I look through them when I'm bored. But yeah, I do kind of just keep little thoughtful gifts my friends give me. So I just have all those. Have like weird drawings here. Nothing too crazy. Oh, this is my harmonica. I tried learning harmonica a little while back. I'm not really good at it, but there was an attempt. Yeah, my bed's still kind of messy because I was just taking a nap earlier. I have my laptop on my bed. Yeah, so on my dresser I've just got some stuffed animals. This is Vaporeon. I got this from TSA. This is a stuffed alligator that my friend got me when he was in China. This is my friend Zach, and then Diana got me this in China too. So other than that, this is just normal dress with my clothes in it. This is a bag I bring to work out. Just keep like some workout stuff in it, like my inhaler. Because I have asthma and I will die if I don't have it. And then this is my backpack I keep for work, so I just leave work-related stuff in there, like my YubiKey and stuff. And then this is my closet, so I don't really have that many clothes because a lot of it's in the dresser, but I keep like jackets and shirts in here. Got another reasonable grocery bag. I got these for free at the Amazon Go store. The first few you get are free, so I just grabbed a few since I didn't want to pay for a grocery bag. And then this is our living room. We just have a couch and a coffee table and then like a TV here, and you can see Michael doing nasty things in his room. Oh yeah, and this is a umbrella people just left at our house. I don't really like the colors on it, but I guess if it ever rains here, which probably will never happen, I'll have an umbrella for it. Yeah, so I don't really do much. I've been working full-time, so I don't really have time to do a lot of things I was doing when I was in school. So my daily routine looks something like wake up at like 8:30, get into work at 9:30. I'll usually pack lunch. I mostly eat things like peanut butter jelly sandwiches and chicken breast most of the time. This week I've been kind of splurging and I cooked ribs since there was a deal at Safeway. So I've been making that recently. But other than that, I don't really do much outside of work. I've been trying to learn harmonica recently. I don't think that's really turned out too well. I kind of gave up since I'm not very good. So yeah, this is pretty much my apartment. I guess this is the end of the video. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.